In this video, we're going to take a quick look at this massive opportunity for both Bitcoin in the long term as well as in the short term. We'll also take a quick look at the Ethereum price action as well as the Cardano price action opportunity. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out every daily technical analysis like this at mga signals na lagi natin pinopost. So let's dive into this video first. So let's take a quick look at the Bitcoin short term. So if you could recall guys, may fina-follow tayong symmetric triangle from our previous video. And if you're going to see this, symmetric triangle is a 50-50 decisive move. So if we pump to the upside, we're actually going to see a 38.8K target. That's around 10% move as what I could recall. Yeah, that's a 10% move. So this is a good opportunity for a long position if you want to long this. Ngayon, futures is for experienced traders. So if you want to trade futures, use it on Binance. I have extra 10% bonus down below. If you're going to use my code down below, that's extra 10% bonus on your first transaction. Futures is for experienced traders only. So if newbie ka, what I would suggest to you is use spot trading. You could still have bonus on my bonus down below with that 10% bonus. And yun yung bullish scenario natin. Pero ang bearish scenario natin, if this breaks down, it's around 29.9K. So this is a good shorting opportunity. And sa such spot natin, if you're going to look at the spot trading, this is a good dollar cost average level. So you could swing trade this position regardless kung nag-pump or nag-dump. So we could make money out of the bullish and bearish scenario. So ito yung kailangan nyo tingnan, kailangan nyo magkaroon ng breakout at this symmetric triangle. And in order to have a confirmed breakout, kailangan natin ng volume. So remember, kailangan ng volume and a 4-hour candle close above the resistance or below the support. So this would also indicate a big move then for Bitcoin if you're going to look at the 200 moving average. Kasi if you're going to follow the 200 moving average, may fina-follow tayong resistance at this area. And right now, yung resistance na yon, ito yung resistance na yan, if ma-break natin siya, this would indicate a massive Bitcoin move for quite a few quite some time. So this is actually an imminent breakout if we break this 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So kailangan natin siya tingnan at the short term as well as dito sa ating symmetric triangle. So double breakout siya, meron tayong symmetric triangle breakout as well as dito sa 4-hour time frame 200 moving average breakout. So ngayon, let's look at Bitcoin in the longer time frame. We have been following this falling wedge, and then itong falling wedge is right now playing at this level. So a falling wedge is traditionally a bullish pattern. So if nag-breakout siya, it would more likely go up. So right now, we are actually following this falling wedge, and we are starting to break out from this pattern. Pero what you must note is this strong RSI resistance. So if na-break natin itong RSI resistance with a daily candle close tomorrow with volume, this would confirm this massive breakout for Bitcoin. So on top of the short-term breakout, kailangan natin magkaroon ng breakout with the RSI resistance, and this would lead to a massive pump for the next few hours. So we could say this around 24 to 48 in the next 24 to 48 hours. So kailangan nyo tingnan itong longer time frame. And if nagkaroon tayo ng breakout, ang next target natin is the 50-day moving average, which is around 36K level. And then 40K level ang next target natin, which is the top of this falling wedge. And then if na-break natin siya, 200-day moving average. So this is a massive Bitcoin opportunity if we break from this RSI strong resistance. So tomorrow, the 8 a.m. candle close for the daily time frame would be very crucial. Kailangan natin mag-close above the resistance. So this is what you need to follow for the Bitcoin in the longer time frame. So yeah, that's Bitcoin for the short term and long term. Now let's look at the Ethereum price action. So if you could recall, may fina-follow tayong rising wedge for Ethereum. And this rising wedge is traditionally a bearish pattern. So if nagkaroon tayo ng breakout, this would more likely go down. So ang ating target ng rising wedge is actually the bottom of this wedge, which is the 1.8K level. So this would be our traditional technical target. However, if naging bullish si Bitcoin and nagkaroon tayo ng bullish scenario, our technical target would be by getting this candle from the height of this rising wedge and then adding it at the point of breakout. This would give us around 2.8k target of Ethereum price if mabreak natin to the upside. So as what I have been saying, kailangan natin ng volume and candle close above the resistances or below the support in order to have a confirmed breakout. So yun yung bullish and bearish scenario. So this is a massive trading opportunity for Ethereum. If na-break natin to, this is a good long position. And if the break siya to the downside, that is also a good short position as well as a good DCA strategy for the short term. So if you want to enter Ethereum into a long term, this is a good opportunity to enter for Ethereum. Now let's also take a quick look with Cardano. We are actually seeing this rising channel for Cardano. So we are playing at this level. Ayun na makikita mo na we are actually playing at the support and resistances. So this is actually a good swing trading opportunity for Cardano. So you could actually buy at the support and then sell at the resistance. So that's 17%. You could long that and you could short it and then you could buy at the support again and that's around 13% move ng ating sell short. You could also swing trade din sa spot. Let's say gusto mo mag-buy in sa Cardano and then isa-sell mo siya dito so 17% and then you would actually try to sell this at this area and then iba-buy back mo siya ulit dito sa lower support. So you could play around that level for the following days for Cardano. So ayan no, pwede ka dyan mag-play around at those level. However, if nagkaroon tayo ng breakout at this rising wedge, if na-break natin siya to the upside, ang technical target natin would be getting the height of this rising channel and then putting it at the point of breakout. That would give us around 1.7 or 1.69 US dollars of target. And if it breaks to the downside, this would give us a target of roughly, let's take this muna ng maayos. So if we break to the downside at the point of breakout, this would give us around 1.2 US dollar level. So this is a crucial area to watch out for Cardano price action. So if you want to trade this, you have to check this movement for the short term. Kailangan natin magkaroon ng breakout in order to have a big move to the upside as well as a big move to the downside. So remember, breakout with volume ang ating kailangan palagi. So let's also take a quick look with the Ethereum to Bitcoin dominance. So bago natin i-end yung video, tingnan natin to. So as you could recall, sabi ko sa inyo noong I think that was around 2 days or 3 days ago. If na-breakout natin itong 100 moving average in the 4 hour, this would lead into a significant pump for Ethereum. So ayun nga nakita tayo ng pump. And then on my other video, sabi ko if nagkaroon tayo ng 200 moving average breakout, this would more likely continue to the upside. So right now we are seeing that. So our next target actually nito is this resistance of 0.07. So this is where possibly magkaroon ng resistance kay Ethereum. So if hindi niya na-break to, if nag-continue siya dyan and then nag-reject siya, this would more likely will play out this bearish scenario for the Ethereum price action. So kailangan nyo tingnan si Ethereum to Bitcoin dominance bago kayo mag-trade kay Ethereum para malaman nyo kung dire-diretso na ba ang ating Ethereum price action. So if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more signals like this, you could join our Facebook, Telegram, and Discord group. Link is in the description below. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.